Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Okay, for maths lesson today, okay, we are going to discuss question 12 from the Generating Excellent Exercise, chapter 12. So the question is, Joshua has a score 74, 95, 98, 84, and 74 in history test. A. How could Joshua convince his parents that he had worked hard to achieve the best result in history? Which measure of central tendencies should Joshua use for this purpose? Justify your answer. Okay, and B. Encik Shamsuddin is Joshua history teacher. He encouraged Joshua to work harder because his mark for history was still inconsistent. Which of the mark did Encik Shamsuddin refer to when he expressed his concern for Joshua achievement? Okay, firstly look at question A, how to do this one. Right. So for this one, the best measure of central tendency that Joshua can use to convince her parents that he can achieve the best result in history is mean, because if we calculate the mean score by Joshua in history test, we will get, okay, which is equal to, mean equal to 74, you plus with the 95, plus with the 98, plus with the 84, and 74, you divide with the 5, you will get equal to 85. So the mean score it is equal to 85. So actually it is the grade is A. So if Joshua choose the mean for the measure of central tendency, so this will convince his parent that he will get score A, because the mean mark is it is equal to 85. Okay, and it is a grade A. So that's the answer for question 12A. And for question 12B, okay, so why actually Encik Shamsuddin, Joshua history teacher, talking about this thing, because actually in the Joshua score there is two lowest mark consistent, which is 74 two times the Joshua score. So this mark 74 it is lowest because this one is a B, grade B. Okay, so that's why the Encik Shamsuddin asked Joshua to work harder. Okay, because of this inconsistent mark 74 and 74 here. Okay, so the answer is 74. 74, it is the mark which is have the highest frequency, which is have a most frequent mark scored by the Joshua. So the answer is 74. Okay, all right, class. Okay, now we go for the chapter 11. Okay, look at this one. We are going to discuss generating excellent exercise from the chapter 11. So question number 1, the diagram on the right shows a polygon A maps to the polygon A prime under a reflection. Identify the point that mesh. Okay, A, the image of point P. Okay, so point P, this one is the object. So the image for this one, you have to find the corresponding point with this P here from this one. This one is the image. So the answer is point F. So the answer for A, number 1A, it is a point F. Okay, so for question 1B, the object of point Q, the object of point G. Okay, so point G here is the image. So the object which is corresponding for this point G here, image here, it is a point. It is a point. Look at this one, point U. Okay, point U. So the answer is point U. Okay, all right. Okay, now we go for the question number 2. Okay, which of the following is a translation, and state the reason for your answer? Okay, so given to you 2a. So 2a here, this one. So you have to observe this one between these two shape here. So this one actually is one translation because of what? Because both of the shape here have the congruent, which is have the same shape and same size, and also the orientation for this shape is also same. So because of that, it is a translation. Okay, now for B, B it is not a translation because although these two shapes have the same shape and size, but the orientation is not same. Okay, the orientation is not same, so that's why this one is not a translation. Okay, now for question 2C, all right. So this one also same like the question 2A. This one have the both of the shape have the same shape and same size, and the orientation is also same. So this one is the translation. So A and C is a translation, and B is not translation. Okay, all right, class. So I stop here for our lesson today. All right. So for your homework, okay, for today, okay, I want you to do this one. Okay. So question generating excellent, chapter 11. Okay. Okay, please do this one. Question. Okay, I want you to answer question 11 and also question 12. Okay, there is two questions here. Okay, so please do these two question 11 and question 12. Okay, from the generating excellent chapter 11. Okay, so please answer in your math exercise, maths 1 or maths 2 or maths 3. Yeah. So after finish, you can send to me the answer, your homework through my Telegram. Okay, so if you have any problem, any question about the exercise or the lesson, you can ask me in the Telegram. Okay, so thank you, class.